Well, g'day. Welcome to my channel. One day I'm going to get a name for this layout, but in the meantime, it's just my layout. Okay, I'm just going to show you what I've been up to this week, and there's been a few changes, all for the good, and I'll show you what I've been up to. First of all, we'll just zoom out. I've done this. The hillside that was brown has suddenly grown grass, grown a few trees, and that is going to be a farm scene eventually. So I hope to get some couple of little farm, house for the farmhouse, and maybe a hay shed or something, and a few animals to put on there, and try and source some farm fencing from somewhere. And so I'm rather pleased the way that's turned out. We'll just move up a little bit, and as you can see, there's 8 trees. The wife bought me them when we were in at a shop in Melbourne, Train World, down there. It's a rather large shop, and she bought us those trees to my to my delight. And I bought the scatter to go over the ground and so forth. And the bushland that hasn't been cleared on the other side, that is basically, what do they call it, I forget the name of it. In America they call it reindeer moss, but Lighton or something like that it's called. And that's from Woodland Scenics. And I've been busy on the main track up to that point there, and down along here through the yards, right through there, and halfway around up here. And that's all been ballasted. Even though I've got the Pico stuff on top, it's come out quite well, and I reckon it looks quite nice. So that's, we'll just get a bit here where the light's shining on it. Zoom in. It looks quite good. So I spent yesterday afternoon doing that, and I'll hope to finish off the rest of it tomorrow or during the week, because we're a bit busy tomorrow. I have to take Bronnie out to the physiotherapist tomorrow, so if we get a bit of time, I might be able to do a little bit. And of course over there, like I've mentioned before, that's where a mountain's going to go, and hopefully I'll make it so it can be removable, so if there's any hiccups in there or cleaning issues, I can get it done. And I've got an idea of Colin. He's I forget what his channel's called, but he's doing a road that he can remove from his town, which can be removed. So I thought, well, that's one way I can do it. So thanks, Colin, for that idea. And I've got some rock moulds, so ones that you can mould yourself and hopefully they'll come in soon. I'll mould them up and put them along there, and a few on over that side there. So I'm rather pleased the way it's coming along. I'm not as quick as some of you guys, like Paul from long something or other junction, Lombard Junction or something like that it's called, he's got, and he seems to be able to do almost a layout a week the way he's going. So yeah, I'm not as quick as him, but hopefully I can do just as good a job. Okay, I'm thoroughly enjoying doing this. It's a great hobby, and you guys, if you're watching for the first time and you want to subscribe, please subscribe, because I haven't got many subscribers, and your subscription will be well taken. And Paul from Chris from Perth, in Australia, of course. Thank you for your subscription too. So it's been well regarded, and I've got a few hints off your channel as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope this video finds you all well, and we'll see you in the not too distant future. Bye.